Here we are, the entrance, very near civilization.
Mind your head. Right.
You get lost down here.
Yeah. So I was just thinking.
This is going to be lethal.
Surely we ain't going to get lost. What one did we come in? Oh my god, this thing goes on forever. Oh my god, it keeps going, Dad. Where's Dave gone? It goes on forever that way, mate. It's ridiculous.
This is just ridiculous.
Is that the same? Perhaps it just goes round in a square. We've just been there, that's where that wheel was,
Yeah,
isn't it?
it's several different squares.
This is
joined
C.
way to connect that tunnels.
Yeah, but we were just near that tyre, weren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're all good. It keeps coming.
Yeah, I haven't been making a note of the left and right so you can do it. Okay, yeah, I could lift it easier.
Yeah, we should have got head
There's more
torches
sections,
out.
there's loads of them. You've got more than four sections. It ain't worth taking the risk, boys. I'm telling
There's
you.
no
We
risk,
need
mate.
spray paint.
We're already in, mate, we're lost.
Yeah, not getting too fucking far lost.
Mind all this wood and stuff over there. Wait, that's E this way.
Oh, I ain't going no further.
Right, I reckon we're lost.
Yeah, we're going back.
Well, there's no point going back, mate, because I can't
Yes, you go
remember
further in, you're going to get even more lost.
I can't remember what way we came, can you?
Yeah, you just look at the door.
Well, yeah, we were going D's, weren't we? We're into E now.
Yeah, but what one did we start in?
C.
No, starting A.
A, B, yeah.
Holy shit.
Now we're in F. There, you're taking the piss.
We're going to be X if you want to worry.
Yeah. It's got to lead back in it. Surely. C4, we've been here before, I remember seeing that. We've got to go back that way. No, because we've not been past that one, have we?
No, and that looks like a G.
Is it a G? It might be a G, yeah.
It is.
So we've not been here. Right, you can get out of that one, but you've got to clamber up that slope. Keep going. Let's do it. There's still cabling in here, look. Hang on a minute, haven't we just been here?
Yeah.
We're now going around in circles officially.
Right, we're going to go back the way we came? Or we're going to bug out this hole?
Only one way back out.
No, there ain't, you can get out
Take the
here.
risk of getting out of this one.
You can get out of that one, but I don't know where it leads to.
Yeah, I'd carry on and try and go back out.
What's out there?
We've travelled about 100 metres.
Where are you then?
Where am I? I'm outside.
Yeah, I know you're outside. Where? But we ain't coming up in the garden or anything, are we?
I believe there's one more just over there.
Right.
One more exit. We're going that way though.
Yeah, so we've got to
There's
go.
a H.
Yeah, there was a
concrete
H.
one over there.
Yeah.
Right, so-
Are you kidding me? We ain't been that way.
No, that's down to H4. Going deeper and deeper.
Yeah, it's getting a bit dangerous now.
Yeah, there's a big spider.
Oh, look at that.
They're cave spiders.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Well, so they said on the internet. Right, let's go back out, right?
Dave's bricking it now.
You don't like that way. There's loads. You see how many there are?
Yeah. I've not noticed them till now.
No, there's one up there. Yeah, we'll stop looking for a second.
Did you want to see if we can get our way back to the...
Dave's going to crawl out that hole.
I'm quite happy to go back to the start.
Yeah, you'd have expected there to have been some rooms under here or something, wouldn't you?
They were. Here, look. All the benches.
Oh, there was benches along here, yeah, but there wasn't actually like big, like square, rectangular, open places.
No,
It was just literally tunnels.
that's what I mean. So, you know, there's nowhere for... I suppose the tunnels would have just been packed, wouldn't they?
You wouldn't want to live down here.
No.
You hide down here for a little bit just to shelter.
What?
Right, there's so much, yeah.
Yeah, look,
The
there's
camera instead of
benches there. Look.
Yeah.
Is it? I remember you said that when we end up back at F.
Toilet bit.
Is that where the bog was?
Yeah.
Surely not.
Well, not where the bog was, but that's... But 1940s.
So it's like a computer game, that's why you're good at it.
Yeah, you're right.
Found the bush.
You done it?
Yeah. It's a doddle.
Get on. There we go.
Head